How to open or create SuccessFactors account online. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can open or create SuccessFactors account online. For this, go ahead and open up any web browser and head over to sap.com. Once you're here, tap on these three lines and then you want to tap on this human icon. It will bring you to login or create an SAP account option. Here, you want to tap on create your SAP account. Now, the first thing you want to do is enter your business email address. Then enter your first name. Now enter your last name. Select your country or region. Then you want to enter the company name. Now go ahead and enter your phone number. Once that is done, you want to enter the department. Now select the relationship to SAP. Then you want to check this box that says, I have read and understood the terms and conditions of sap.com. Now tap on the submit option. Once you tap on the submit option, you will receive an email from SAP. All you have to do is click on the link available in your email, then you will have to finalize your account. For that, simply create a password and click on the submit option. And just in these simple steps, you will be able to create your SuccessFactors account online. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.